Hey guys, welcome back to another crazy video. Today we're talking about transformations of cubic and cube root functions. Yay, that's wild. That's so crazy. Blah. Budget got cut and I couldn't do what I originally wanted to do, and that sucks because I was planning it and it was gonna look so cool. It was gonna look so cool. But this is fine because this is good too. This is gonna work just as fine. So basically, what these transformations are is they they have certain variables that dictate where the basic function is gonna move on the graph. So you got the basic function, and there's three main variables that dictate it. There's a, h, and k. So basically, what the a variable does, if it's negative, it reflects it on the x-axis, and if the value is lower than 1, it'll compress the function vertically by however much that value is. And if it's greater than 1, it'll stretch the function by how many that value is. Okay? So, moving on to h. H, just like if it's positive, it moves it left by however much the number is, and if it's negative, it moves it right. This is because on the original function with all the values, it's negative, so if you alter that original thing, it'll reverse it. And k is the one outside of the cube or cube root. And what that does is it moves it up or down depending on if it's positive or negative. If it's positive, it's up, and if it's negative, it's down. So the first one we're gonna do is this one: y equals -1/2, and then cubed by x minus 7, and then there's plus 4. So first the first thing that's gonna happen is it's gonna be reflected because there's a negative. You can see right there. There's a negative. There's a negative right there. Got it? Okay, that's cool. Next is gonna happen is it's going to compress because that value right there, that value is lower than 1. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. It's gonna compress by 1/2. Next, what's gonna happen? It's gonna move right 7. Right 7 because it's a -7. I said if the value is negative, it moves right. If that value is negative, it moves right. Next, we got that 4, that quattro. Now, since it's positive, it's gonna move. It's gonna move what? It's gonna move up by 4. Up by 4. So the graph would look like this. Y'all see that? See how it's like that now? That's wild. That's crazy. That's exemplary. Alright, moving on. So, now we're doing this one. 3/2, that's outside of the cube root, and then it's x plus 2, and then outside is -5. So what's gonna happen here is a lot of people, if they're, I shouldn't say that. If they're dumb, no. If they might just get a little confused, because that's a tricky one. They're not dumb if they get this wrong, though. Everybody is smart. Everybody is beautiful. Okay, so that stretches because that value right there is greater than 1. 3/2 is greater than 1. It's greater than 1. So it stretches by 3/2. Okay, then moving on to the h, would move left 2 because it's a positive, and positive moves that left. My cat's meowing with the okay, moving on to the k. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'm getting a little distracted, my fault. It moves it down by 5 because it's negative. And there we got it. Those are transformations of cubic and cube root functions. We can just give this a quick check on the calculator. You can see that we did get these right. We did in fact get these right. That was the graph I did from the question. That I just did it through that. And then that's the graph from the calculator. It's perfect. It's perfect. Thank you guys for staying. Catch you on the flip side, and how Miss Martinez says, stay fired up. Now, hold up. Roll the credits.